It's a good initiative. TBM is trying to bring the industry experience together, and it is creating a good platform for the knowledge sharing.
As I'm chairing the event, I think the day has been fantastic. I particularly like the engagement with the participants in the audience.
I'm impressed. The first day has been super insightful. It's been very interesting for me to hear a lot from our customers and get a much wider perspective on the issues that they face and the topics that they're working on.
First year you have a high concentration of high-level managers that are involved in, as I was saying, in asset management or in this area of monitoring, which is not very frequent to find. So that's obviously very interesting.
I think it's great that we have a mix of owners, also very large utilities such as I represent, together with investment owners and together with OEMs. Some of the big OEMs are here, which are always helpful and always spur a good debate and dialogue.
So far the event, I think it has been pretty well organized.
What I really liked about the attendance here is that they were specialists in asset management, operation and maintenance for wind mainly in this event, but increasingly also for other renewable energy sources.
The blend of the group is really good.
So the level of the people who are here is very high. So that means they sit further up the food chain in the organization.
We always look for quality of attendance, and I am definitely really happy with the people that I have met here today.
As a highlight for the event, I will say that it's not just about the presentations, but also the networking part, and I had the opportunity already to have really interesting discussions with at least 5 different people for different organizations.
The TBM event is really excellent.
I mean, firstly, it's well run. The topics selected are very up to date with the current issues that we're facing. As I said, it's been insightful and something that I'd like to keep an engagement and to see the future years, the agendas.
I have met a lot of people that are very knowledgeable and very nice, and some of those connections I will use in the coming weeks and months.
I would say this is a specialist boutique event.
A good opportunity to discuss, to network, particularly in a post-COVID environment. It's nice to have face-to-face discussions again with peers within the industry. So it's a good open discussions that we're able to have.
The interaction is better. That is something I really value in this conference.
I would be happy to return, but probably as well with other colleagues.
For sure, I will recommend some of my colleagues to be part of this, to keep on promoting